Today I've got some Pink and Main products and a KCC 16 sketch, and we're going to make some pretty Christmas cards. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. This is the Kendra's Card Challenge 16 Hop featuring Pink and Main. Pink and Main is a super sponsor for KCC 16 this quarter, and so there is a playlist linked in the description box below for you that you can click on and go through all of the design team members who are creating with Pink and Main today and kind of binge and see all kinds of inspiration. So Pink and Main sent me this winter glitter paper. It's got red, emerald green, dark blue, gold, and silver. Very pretty, nice and shimmery, but no loose glitter, which is awesome. I also have the oblong stitched hexagon dies, which are a really cool take, kind of on an oval and hexagon, I guess. The holly branch dies, and the winter greetings dies, which have Be Merry, Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Merry and Bright, Joy, Happy Holidays. This one I think will be used quite a bit in my stash. And then today I'm going to be creating with KCC 16 sketch number 9, and I am going to be playing with the glitter paper, the word dies, and the holly branch. So come along and let's make a very festive and shimmery Christmas card. I used the holly branch die and cut the top detail layer out of the emerald green glitter cardstock, and then cut the matte layer out of just some plain red cardstock. And I discovered an easy way to adhere them together because I wanted to keep all of the individual leaf pieces in with the holly because I wanted more of the green showing. And so I had cut it twice, and I figured out on the first one all I have to do is glue my matte layer to the back of the top detail layer while it's still in like the cardstock, and then punch it out. And that way, because it actually cuts like all parts of the holly leaf individually, so like each leaf has 2 parts, so I didn't want to have to go in and do all of those individually. So that worked out really well. And then I also decided to go with the Be Merry die, and I cut it a couple different ways. I cut both layers, the matte layer and the words. I cut each out of the emerald green glitter cardstock as well as some white cardstock. So you're going to see a card at the end with the opposite of what you're seeing here, where it has the emerald glitter as the kind of the matting layer, and then the white letters, because I wasn't sure which one I liked best, so I just decided to make both. And so I'm just adhering these down. And then as far as my card, I'm going to be turning sketch 9 sideways, just doing a landscape horizontal instead of a vertical card. I have some red embossed, like polka dot embossed cardstock that I had in my stash, and so I'm just going to use that as my main matting layer. And then for the square element, I ended up adding an extra matte layer here. So I'm going to do a green, and then I'm using some of the silver glitter. And then I'm going to put this on and then realize it looks crooked, both layers. So I'm going to fix that. And then I'm going to do another layer of white after I get this fixed. And if you haven't done Kendra's Card Challenge yet, there's a link in the description box below where you can find the PDF. Basically, she gives you a cutting guide for 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper and enough card sketches to turn those sheets of paper into 15 cards. And if you don't want to make all 15, she does give you the measurements on each individual sketch, so you can make 1 card at a time if you'd like, kind of what I'm doing here. So I'm going to take my holly branch and just put it kind of oriented on the white square so that I have room for my Be Merry sentiment. And I'm using the Be Merry sentiment in place of the fishtail banners that are on the sketch. Also in the description box there'll be a link for a giveaway form. Kendra's card challenges always have lots of fun giveaways, and one of those ways that you can win is by filling out the form linked in the description box after you watch my video, and then you can hop along to the other videos and have multiple chances to win. And then in the description box as well, I'll include links to the Pink and Main products that I am using today. I'm very grateful for them being a supportive sponsor of Kendra's Card Challenge, donating prizes and donating goodies for us to work with to provide inspiration to you on how to use Kendra's sketches. I decided to add a little bit of scrap cardstock underneath the right side of my sentiment since I had several layers on the left. So it felt unbalanced to me, and so I decided that I wanted to use a circle punch and create some more green glitter elements kind of on the bottom right side of the card. And so I'm going to fiddle with those and then finally kind of put them at an angle, and then it feels more balanced. It just felt top heavy to me. So now my card is complete, and here you'll get a close-up look of both of the cards I made, the one with the green background on the Be Merry and then the one with the white, and you can let me know which one you prefer. Again, please check the description box for lots of information and links, and as always, thank you so much for your time and hope you all have a very crafty day.